What's good, my future millionaires? Welcome back to Crypto Haven. BTT gang, stand up. We got a quick look at the coin market cap daily routine. You know, we always got to check that. Make sure we on point. We on our way to that $1 mark. We got Bitcoin 57K up 1.5%. Ethereum down a bit. Binance Coin down a bit. Dogecoin up 68 cents, guys. Almost that 70 cents mark. Dogecoin looking like it's gonna hit that dollar mark, man. Elon going crazy. XRP down. A lot of the coins are in the red right now, bruh. But let's go right down to where we at. Number 35 BTT. 0.0077. We down to 1.9%. 99%, guys. We in red candles, but when I see this, I'm just thinking I'ma buy the dip, bro. that's what I'm thinking. We gonna see what people tweeted out. We got Money Honey saying BTT has been chilling for some weeks, forming a large triangle. My crypto senses are tingling. I'm feeling a massive breakout imminent that could push past the all-time high. Hashtag BitTorrent. I feel the same way, guys. I gotta get myself some more before this happens, so I could get profits. And I'm not a financial advisor, but that would be the smartest thing to do, to get it in the red instead of getting it in the green. Next, we got Christy Della Gadillo. The reason why I'm heavily invested in BitTorrent, the potential behind it will make the altcoin skyrocket. Amazon uses the BitTorrent protocol to save costs when distributing content at high scalability, man. Tell me that's not legit, bruh. Know what you're getting yourself into with BitTorrent, with BTT, guys. This crypto has so much utility. We got MIG management. Oh, we got Elon, Saturday Night Live, Bit management right on the bottom. Join the BTT train. It's leaving the station. BitTorrent BTT up 15%. Spirit beer. Buy that dip, folks. Exactly what I'm saying. Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay, we got some profit from Doge. What do we buy next? BTT, TRX, more Doge. Imposters gotta get kicked, fam. You gotta leave. Get some more BTT, get some more TRX. In the replies, BTT is going places. It's true though. Mike the Investor, guys. One of the YouTube channels I saw when I was researching BTT. Shout outs to him. Make sure you guys go and give him a follow. I still managed to get hundreds of questions on where to buy BTT, so I'm putting together a video that will show how to buy and exchange one crypto from for the BTT token. This will cover US and non-US investors. Now, the exchange that I use to get BTT is CEXIO. I live in the Caribbean. I'm probably one of the I'm in a minuscule percentage of investors in crypto, because the Caribbean market has not known. They probably heard of crypto, but I think so little people have invested into it. You know what I'm saying? So I had to find a website that supports non-US investors. That's myself. So I use CEXIO for that. We got a tweet from Hopper Style. Loading more BTT before we get over the 1 cent. Exactly. BitTorrent rise. Strong buy signal on trading view for BTT. Seems like the Pirates are going to have a great weekend. Strong buy. That's what I'll be doing in the dip, guys. I'm just letting y'all know. I'll be buying in the dip for sure. TRX, this Coca tweeted out, I sold my crypto and withdrawn money. Then it turned out that this crypto is unrecognizable. I will not make this mistake with BTT, especially since Amazon Prime, Spotify, and Netflix are supposed to work with BTT. You see who's working with our crypto, BTT gang? Look at who's working with our crypto. Amazon, Jeff Bezos, Spotify, Netflix. I had to hit the I agree on this, bro. We not missing the train with BTT. It's Nikki420 tweeted out, TRX would be a major success along with little brother BitTorrent. Get in this blockchain while it's affordable. It's really a solid 3 to 5x. Got in at around 11 cents and I'm loving it already. BitTorrent will end up getting some money thrown at it. Get in while you can. Completely agree with this, guys. Definitely go and get some BTT, and then what you do, hodl. Sweardomi86 tweeted out, hodl to the mountain, to the moon, to Pluto, to Saturn. FIFA Ben tweeted out, ready BTT BitTorrent, just hodl it. Any Nike fans watching, just hodl it. Nike symbol with the stat chart, you know what I'm saying? Fire, man, amazing. Now, I liked and retweeted this video. This is Mind Math Money. Go give him a follow. He be doing analysis on different cryptos. First time ever we looked at BitTorrent today. The full YouTube video is in the tweet below. Let's take a look at this.
So just a few hours ago, I gave you guys a list of 5 coins to vote on, and BitTorrent actually won. So in this video, we are for the first time ever gonna take a look at BitTorrent, ticker symbol BTT. And I think you guys made a very nice choice because the BitTorrent chart is right now. So just a
BitTorrent is looking up, guys. Go to his YouTube channel, check out the full analysis. Shirtless K tweeted out, Blizzard acknowledged BitTorrent. BTT is branching out into the gaming industry. A year old but new to me. New to me as well, guys. Blizzard has acknowledged BitTorrent. We'll just read through a little paragraph real quick. All the top in online games are invariably owned by centralized companies, including World of Warcraft from Blizzard Entertainment, EVE Online, CCP Games, other hit mobile games like PUBG. Let's scroll down a bit, guys. BitTorrent has been providing the underlying protocol to many viral online games. BitTorrent is a household name to internet users. So far, there's not been a better alternative for transmitting a large amount of data across an ill-performing network. Content transmitted with the BitTorrent protocol accounts for as high as 40% of the global internet traffic every day. Facebook and Twitter use BitTorrent to distribute updates to their servers. Florida State University uses the technology to send large scientific data sets to its researchers. The US-based Blizzard Entertainment have their users download World of Warcraft with BitTorrent. World of Warcraft, multi-million billion-dollar game. I'm not sure the market. Y'all let me know in the comment section, but I know it has made bags. Okay, the BitTorrent protocol is also used in downloading 10-cent games, and all of these points to a huge potential that BitTorrent has in the gaming world. This is a year old, but I'm sure a lot of you guys have not seen this, man. BitTorrent getting acknowledged by the big gaming companies, and the gaming companies using BitTorrent is a big deal. BTT gang, I will keep you guys updated on news and tweets about BitTorrent. Get in before it's too late. We're still early. It is still under a penny, meaning that you could get a large quantity of BitTorrent, and it just got to get to that 20 cent, 30 cent, 50 cent mark for you to walk away with huge gains. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave your comments down below, and I'll catch you in the next one.